Biotechnology is the science that's changing the world. It's the key to creating life-saving medicines, solving the global food crisis, and protecting our environment. The Bachelor of Science program in Biotechnology at Chandigarh University equips students with skills and knowledge paramount to thrive in this ever-evolving field. With an industry-aligned curriculum, students develop insights across diverse domains in life sciences. With state-of-the-art laboratories, students gain access to the latest technology and high-end research resources. Harness our partnerships with leading biotech and life science firms and develop practical expertise paramount in the professional world. Immerse yourself in advanced research with access to innovative projects while receiving dedicated support for publishing research papers and filing patents. Pioneer the breakthroughs of tomorrow with the B.Sc Biotechnology.